Hello, my people. I'm Engineer James Okore, the founder and director of James Okore Technical Institute. And today, I want us to look on breakers, right? As an engineer, if you are doing any job, you are doing construction, and you are doing building of panels or designing of any circuit, and you don't use breaker, okay? Hey, you have to go and redesign your circuit. Why? Because breakers are very important. Breakers are switches that enables us to protect our loads from both short circuit, excess current, and overload. So if you are working without a breaker, it's like a house without a baby, meaning that if there happen to be an issue, that house will have issue. Now what we do, we have to use breaker. If you are designing anything like panel, there must be main breaker. The main breaker is where you first supply the incoming cables that come from the source, so that from the output of that breaker, it can be extended to whatever you want to use it for. So, to build any circuit, to design anything, you have to use what? Breakers. We have different kinds of breakers in the market. We have what we call the modern case circuit breakers, which we call the MCCBs. Now, these are MCCBs. This is MCCB, modern case circuit breaker. They are rated in amps. So, we have what we call the MCB breakers. MCB breakers are small breakers, right? So, we have the MCB breakers. They are called the miniature circuit breakers. Some people call it miniaturized circuit breakers. Now, we have what we call the earth leakage circuit breaker, ELCB. We have what we call the air circuit breakers and all the rest of them. So when you're working with breaker, discover that your work is secured, your work is safe, your panel that you have designed is safe from short circuit, is safe from overload, is safe from excess current. So if there happen to be any issue, the breaker will test it, thereby protecting your load from damaging. Now when you look at breakers, we have what we call the AC breakers for the AC, alternating current breakers, AC breakers. We have what we call the DC breakers. So know your breakers and know the amperage of the breaker that you are using. One of the issues that technicians face are the issues of undersizing breakers. If you undersize breaker, you will be going there every day to be energizing it. Why? Because the breakers will be tripping. If you oversize breaker, it means that the breaker will be working like a conductor. It means that it's not going to protect your load from anything. So follow us as we teach you everything that concerns breakers and everything that concerns protective measures. Alright? If you are an engineer and you mistakenly burn somebody's house, it means that you are either using fake breaker or you don't use breakers at all, which might put you into trouble. Crickery is closed. So in this case, let's look at breakers and how they work. Now, in every breaker you are using, we have the input, we have the output. We have what we call the 1-pole breaker, we have 2-pole breaker, we have 3-pole breaker, we have 4-pole breaker. So while designing our circuit, we are going to be using different types of breakers for us to show you. Follow us as we design and construct industrial control panels, distribution panels, bus bar panels, and every other panels, multipurpose electrical panels, using breakers, using conductors, using pin relays, using timers, using the phase failure relays, using the voltage monitors, and every other thing. Right? Here at James Okore Technical Institute, we teach you everything that concerns automation at ease. You don't need to be an electrician to come here, right? We teach you from scratch to finish, meaning that for you to come here is grace, and for you to come here, you must understand everything that concerns automation. Anything that concerns automation. Also, we teach solar energy and inverter installation, we teach CCTV camera installation, we also teach smart home automation, and everything that concerns electrical wiring. If you want to advance your career in the field of electrical engineering, you have to come to James Okore Technical Institute. We are located at number 1 Alabede Street in Yanapaja, Lagos State. We have accommodation for everybody.